the DeWalt 20V Max LED work light. The model number is DCL079B. I got this one off of Amazon for under $160 without the battery or the charger. I'll leave a link in the description box below. This is a cordless portable work light, and it comes with a DeWalt 3-year limited warranty. Just see their website about that. This work light is easy to use. Simply press the button and the tripod legs open up. I have a charged 20-volt battery pack that I'll just insert on the bottom of this LED work light. So now we'll extend this work light pole. It telescopes up to 7 feet. The head of the work light rotates, and the light on top is protected so it can hold up to tough conditions. This DeWalt work light is dimmable. It has 3 different settings, which go all the way up to 3000 lumens. It is important to note that with this LED technology, the light won't get hot. This light is a white LED that is cool to the touch. When you're all done using this work light, it has an easy-to-use carry handle. Well, that's it for this review. Subscribe to 4K Tech for more reviews and tech insights.